Hey everybody, this is Mark, and we did a little bit of shopping recently. So I just got back from San Francisco and I hit all the major tech headquarters in the Palo Alto, San Jose area. Went to Facebook, Google, Intel, Apple Park, and Apple Cupertino, and I pretty much bought everything at any of the places that sold stuff. I really wanted to show what you can get. And I guess what better way to do than a haul video. So I guess if you're a fan of tech, then this is going to be the video for you. $600 worth of merchandise from companies I've already given thousands of dollars to. So I guess let's start off with Google, the first place we went. I got to see Android Guard and all of the Android figures that relate to the versions. So that was kind of cool. They have their very own merchandise store, which is actually also online, including Intel's store. But it was kind of off to the side, across the street from their main headquarters, but they had a ton of stuff, probably the best merchandise store. First thing I got was a Google bag. This is kind of like a tote canvas bag. They also had an Android one, but I like this one. So they charge 10 cents for bags in California or San Francisco, just like they do in Seattle. So I bought my own bag. I also got a Google water bottle. I kind of wanted to get a water bottle everywhere because when I went to Amazon Go, I got a water bottle. So I figured I'd get a couple of these. So this one's really cool. They had more stuff online than they did in the store. But this one was something I saw beforehand that was kind of cool. It's just a little phone bamboo holder. It had the exact same one at Intel, but I got this one instead. And we also got an Android figure. This is the box. Mystery one. This one is glow in the dark, but he also comes apart too. So I guess that's interesting. I do have one of these, but not a real one. I think I got a fake one or something. We got a couple of YouTube pens. So, you know, for props and videos, because this is YouTube. YouTube stickers and Google stickers. Why not? I also got 3 shirts, 2 of which you don't see, but this one is the traditional white with the Google colors. I also got a light blue with the Google text, which you'll see right now. It's not on the table. And I also got a YouTube one. Gotta wear YouTube stuff if I'm on YouTube, right? Okay. Oh yeah, and one more thing. We got this Google backpack, which is kind of cool. It is from Timbuktu. It's kind of cool. And I don't know, I kind of wanted that, so I got it. Next stop was Apple. We went to both Apple Park and the old Apple Cupertino campus. Apple Park was really cool, except you couldn't really see the spaceship. But the visitor center was cool. The AR demo with the underground tunnel thingy was really awesome. If you haven't done that, you have to see that. But we got a ton of stuff. So first, right here, we got the very famous and traditional Apple Park multicolor shirt. And you can tell a good company with their shirts because they print the tags. They don't actually have a real tag in there. Same with Google. So that's really cool. And on the back of it, it even has the address for Apple Park, which is pretty awesome. We also got this one's going to come back later. We'll talk about that in a minute. This one is the same as the other one, except it's light blue and there's no multicolored, but it still says Apple Park. Then I got a black one with a multicolored traditional retro Apple logo. I also got an Apple Park bag, which is what is right here. This is almost, I don't know what this is. It's like kind of like a plastic rubber thing. It's really cool. But this is the same design that's on the shirt with the park and the multicolored. So I like that a lot. And then this, I really actually don't know what this is. This says memory cards. It's not actually like a memory card, but it's like flash cards, kind of like I don't know, just like a pack of cards, like a deck of cards or something. But it has pictures of different Apple computers, and it's just different colors. So all of Apple's tech. They had postcards. I wanted to get the postcards, but I didn't get the postcards because there was a lot, $20 for each, and they had 3 different packs. Okay, so then after that, we went to the old Cupertino campus, and I saw a self-driving car, Apple self-driving car, which actually crashed the day before. Someone sideswiped it. It didn't actually crash though. So we saw it the day after it crashed, but then we also saw the Google cars, which were kind of cool. They were driving themselves too. But they had actual different shirts at the old campus. So this one, they had a lot of different shirts at the Cupertino one, but I got the HomePod top view, the plus minus buttons. They also have like schematics of the Apple Watch, AirPods, HomePod, and the original Mac, which was cool, but they didn't have any of my sizes. We got a water bottle. This is, the traditional stainless steel Apple, so I figured I had to get that. And then this one's kind of cool. This is a pen, which is again the same stainless steel look, and it's pretty fancy, kind of cool, so I got that as well. Then after that, we went to Intel, looked at the museum, which was pretty cool. I even got to see the 8086, the original one, which I actually got. So tell me what I should do with the one that I got. Maybe I'll build a computer or something. But they had their shop, so got another bag. This one's pretty cool. I got I think this is a pencil pouch, but I'm probably going to use it for camera equipment. An RFID safe credit card pouch, which can only hold one card, unfortunately. A lanyard and a hat. So yeah, it's a hat. And I got 2 shirts. I got one right here. This says Intel, and then the other one says Intel as well, but it's a different color. They did have a water bottle, but I didn't really like it that much. So I think that is everything I got in total, almost $600 worth of stuff, but it's totally worth it. I love everything, and I'm so excited to be able to see the campuses, walk around Google, look at all the self-driving cars in San Francisco. And I got a lot of tech now, and I can wear Google and Apple clothes, so that's pretty awesome. But if you guys like this video, if you're interested in more of this sort of stuff, or if you just loved seeing all this tech stuff, leave this video a like, and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with That Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.